If you were on my Instagram, you may have seen where I posted this inspiration picture I spotted on Pinterest of this amazing curved desk. Here's another inspiration picture that I found on Houzz. You guys know how much I love unique and interesting items, and this desk was at the top of my must-have list. After searching the web for hours and even days, I found one very similar on Facebook Marketplace. The seller wanted $650 for the desk and the chair, but I only wanted the desk. The seller was so impressed by me driving 3 hours to pick it up, she threw in the chair, and I got both for $400. The regular price for this set is over $2,500 on Wayfair, and I have a sweet plan for making over the chair, so be on the lookout for that. I really looked up, you guys. This desk was in excellent condition compared to the others that I came across. The Radius desktop is absolutely stunning with its hard wood and detailed carving on the front and on the 6 tapered legs as well. Plus, it has 3 drawers. My old desk only had 1. Lowe's carry chalk paint in the Valspar brand. I know it's pricey, but a little goes a long way. They also carry antique wax and sealing wax, plus you can choose your desired color. I chose a lighter color and had them add more white to the paint for a crisp, clean look. You can also find your chalk paint and wax brush next to the paint. And for protection, I'm using lacquer instead of wax. I'll explain later why. Now that I have my supplies, it's time to get busy painting. I'm starting with the legs and I'm using the chalk brush I showed you earlier. Warning, look out for loose hairs because this brush does shed. As if you already don't know, chalk paint is my favorite paint to use on furniture. It doesn't smell, it dries fast, there's no prepping, no sanding. Just clean the item with warm water and mild soap. Chalk paint is also very forgiving. You don't have to be a great painter. You don't even have to go with the grain of the wood. Just go for it. You're looking at the first coat of paint. I wanted to get that started before starting the top. The top of the desk is very challenging because it's leather. I brushed the paint, then followed it behind using a roller to get in between the cracks really good. So be sure to work quickly because this paint dries really fast. The most time-consuming part was painting the detail on this desk, and the easiest and fastest way to get the job done was to use chalky spray paint. You could get it from any craft store or any home improvement. Just spray and it gets all into the nooks and crannies, and when that dried, I went over it again with my brush. To protect all of my hard work, I'm using lacquer for extra durability instead of using the sealing wax. This is my personal preference. You do not have to do this. I'm doing this because I use my desk a lot. Lacquer comes in aerosol and liquid, and I'm using the satin finish. It dries clear, it doesn't change the color of your furniture. With sealing wax, you will have to buff it in every few months. Over the years, I came across a lot of items, but I must say this is my absolute favorite thing. What I love most about this desk is the mass space that it offers. It's open and airy. It provides plenty of leg room and space for myself and for guests while sitting in front of the desk. Painting the outside of the desk is just as important as making the inside pretty. I gave the inside of the drawers a coat of blush acrylic paint. It's such a sweet pop of color when it's open. The original drawer pulls were removed and replaced with these beautiful drawer pulls I got from Hobby Lobby. Inside my desk are a few grab-and-go essentials. This trinket tray was a flea market find and I got it for only $1. This adorable tray is from Hobby Lobby and I keep my stationery that my sweet friend Therese, the paper lover, sent me, and I'll leave her link down below in case you guys want personalized stationery. The center drawer, I'm using a clear tray that I love and I can see the pink coming through. Again, just my necessities. The calculator, I've had it for years, pens, scissors, letter opener, Post-its, my stapler, and clips. Inside this drawer are a few essentials are kept here. I got a new planner and a hole puncher that I got both from Hobby Lobby. I have tons of these list pads and I got them from Target a few years back, and I also like to keep my scent bags inside the drawers. When you open the drawers, it smells amazing, and also kept here is my print pocket. Having this desk not only gave my office a new look, it also gave it a new feel, so I brought back my original system using my $10 flea market find bookcase that's loaded with style and function. I also added a decorative ladder for a little whimsy. It also functions as storage for my throw blankets. I took advantage of a sale that Kirkland's was having, and I got my ladder home and I painted it to match my decor. On the bookcase, I added my favorite ginger jar that doubles as storage. I also added this blush and gold globe. Everything else you've already seen. I just moved things around to give it a fresh new look. You may have noticed I'm using clear acrylic storage. To keep a light and airy feel, an extra stationery is kept in this clear storage container, and a catch-all bowl is here, and other decor pieces were added. This interchangeable frame is from Target Dollar Spot. I placed note paper inside, and it could be used as a dry erase board, or you can add a calendar, or you can add your favorite quote inside. My eyeglass box is kept here, and below that is my laminator and my wireless printer. It's right at my fingertips. My calendar also is on an acrylic stand, as well as another clear box that I use to place, like my watch, my ring, my bracelet inside while I'm working. So I hope this has inspired you to thrift and save money. You guys got this. Stay uplifted and inspired, and I want to thank you all for watching.